Well, the very characteristic shape, design and pattern of Royal Doulton Old Leeds Sprays, one of their older patterns. These actually date from 1936, April 1936. In fact, we know that from the date stamps on some of the flatware saucers. Octagonal shapes with these lovely little floral blocks in the actual each flat wall of the inner lining, and then the characteristic Old Leeds Sprays in this hand coloured design all the way around, with a very nice period Royal Doulton crown and lion mark, D3548 and the RD number 597783 on these teacups. Beautifully conserved, in very nice condition. Lovely bit of design work down the outer wall of the handle, and that sits on this 5.5 inch little saucer plate. Again, octagonal rimmed, octagonal saucer well in the centre as well. And I think this one, has this one got the date stamp on it or not? No, this one is one without it, but we do know all of the others in the set with those marks on, and date stamped April 1937. So a nice period piece of Royal Doulton Old Leeds Sprays. Teacup and saucer sets. We have got teacup, saucer and side plates, and spare saucers, spare cups, all the individual pieces that if you're not looking to buy a trio or a usable cup and saucer set, we can offer replacements in this line as well on different dates, ranging from early 20th century through to late 1930s. So follow the link below, take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website, where this particular duo, and with 5 of these going on sale this afternoon from us here in the UK. Thanks for watching.